Hello, everyone. Happy Monday morning or afternoon or whenever you're doing this video or you're reading today. Welcome to your reading slideshows for today. A slideshow, there's only one. Goodness gracious. It is a Monday, I tell you what. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Slideshow video. Make sure you are reading every day for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. Today we're going to go over Monday, May 18th. And here is your learning goal. Spoiler alert, the learning goal is the same this week as it was last week. Remember, this is a 2-week unit, so it is going to build on what you learned last week so that you can complete the learning experience or the assessment, I guess, the project at the end of this week. Okay, so let's go ahead and read it together. Students will identify similarities and differences of details in order to determine patterns in behavior of parents and offspring that help offspring survive. Okay, and your reading success criteria. The student can determine the main topic after reading an informational text. The student can identify key details that support the main topic of the text. The student can identify a focus detail and another focus detail in a text, and the student can describe the connection between the two details in a text. For this week, you are going to need to know all of the all of these success criterias for writing. So we're going to go over all of them. The student can state an opinion and give a reason for this opinion about a topic in writing. The student can provide some sense of closure when sharing an opinion in writing. The student can recall information from experiences to answer questions in writing. That's a big one. And then this one is what you did last week and you're doing for some of this week. The student can gather information from provided sources to answer a question in writing. And your science success criteria. The student can use grade level books and other reliable media to gather scientific information about patterns of behavior of parents and offspring. All right, your essential question, I believe, is the same for the entire week. Yeah, I think it is. So this is your essential question. How do animal parents help their offspring survive? All right, today we will explore an interactive ebook and read a nonfiction text in order to explain how kangaroos help their offspring survive. So there's a little spoiler. Today we're going to be talking about kangaroos. Don't forget about your end goal. This is happening this week. So make sure you're taking notes. Make sure you are understanding how parents help their offspring survive, because you are going to be the parent to this little itty bitty meep and you have to help it survive later this week. All right, today you are looking at part 4 only. It is a very short section. It's only a couple pages. So you start on page 19 and you end on page 21. Let's click it just for kicks and giggles. I'll show you how it works. This week it seems to be working better than it was last week. So hopefully it's doing the same for you. So to get there quick, this is the cover page. Get there quick. You just go to part 4, comforting and grooming. Nope. It said, absolutely not, Mrs. Smith. We are going to be difficult again. All right, so you should be on this page starting on page 19 and go through to page 21. Oh my gosh, I'm so mad. It was working for me the other day. I'm so sorry, guys. And then this is... and then this is your last page until you get to part... Wait for it. Part 5, which we will be doing tomorrow. So just look at those 3 pages for part 4 today. All right. And that's all for that. Then you're going to read a text. This text can be found in your packet that you received in the mail, or I will be putting it, or I will have it. It will be on your on Google Classroom, so you can read that if you'd rather do that, or you can use the hard copy in your packet. Then, look at them. You are going to think about how adult kangaroos take care of their joeys. Respond to the question below. Imagine that you are a park ranger in a park that has kangaroos. A visitor is excited to see a joey, but then can't find the joey. Explain to the visitor where the joey may have gone and why. Notice that I put an underline under why. This is the most important thing you have to do. Tell me why. And I'm telling you also, if you read the text, this will be easy to answer. The why will be easy. I also gave you a little hint down here, so keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and look at the assignment very quickly. If you go to Google Classroom, it will be under Science 518 Joey Question. Let's view this puppy. All right, here is the question again, and here I have it in bold print and underlined. It says, imagine that you are a park ranger in a park that has kangaroos. A visitor is excited to see a joey, but then can't find the joey. Explain to the visitor where the joey may have gone and why. So in this box, you are going to type your answer. A good thing to think about is writing incomplete sentence. So repeat the question. I would tell the visitor that the joey is blah, 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 blah. All right, so please make sure that you tell me where the joey is, and then say, I think the joey is there because, and keep going. Use the text to help you answer this question. It will be very helpful if you use the text, and I could probably guarantee you're going to get a 3 if you use the text. So think about that. All right, and then once you're done with that, you turn it in and you are done. And that is it for Monday, okay? So if you guys have any questions, please let me know, and have a great, great Monday, and I will talk to you tomorrow. See you later.